What's up, y'all? It's your channel aka Pineapple Styles, and I'm back with another video. Today, for the first time on camera, I'm going to be cutting my hair. Like, I was gonna trim it anyway and needed a trim, but I'm gonna give it a little more of a cut. So instead of like an inch, we're looking at maybe about two inches, 2.5 inches. So I'm gonna show you how I do that so I can keep the roundness and the shape that I like, especially with the front staying longer, just because it takes so much longer to grow. So yeah, let's get into cutting it. All right, so the first thing is I'm going to do a short round layers. I'm going to part 4 quadrants. So definitely recommend a better comb. But oh yeah, because that wasn't even straight. Okay, there we go. And honestly, I don't expect the back one to be super straight. Just as straight as I can get it. All right, so let's turn so you can see it. Oh. Hold on, I might be able to fix it just like this. Okay. Okay. So that's better. And then we're just gonna part, after parting it down halfway, you're gonna do from top to the back of your ear. All right, so I have my 4 quadrants. I'm gonna turn around. So now that those are parted, you have to set a guide at the top of the head, and then you're gonna part in pie parts essentially. So let's get into that. Oh, and in case you're wondering why I didn't start off with it shampooed, it's because the last video you saw with my locks was only 5 days ago, 6 days ago. So it's basically a fresh blow dry. So we're just gonna go ahead and trim from that and then wash and style and the whole 9. All right, so now you're gonna take 4 sections from each, well, a section from each, and put it together. It's basically a circle. So, all right, so arched parts. So as you see, I'm making like that little semicircle-ish kind of part right there. That's basically what I have to do in every section, and this is how you set your guide, because you are setting the length that you want each portion from that section of hair to be, and then you're going to use that to guide you to cut the rest of your hair. And that's how we're making these short round layers. So I'm just going to part a piece that shape in every section, and it's basically going to make a circle in the middle of my head. My head is itching. I'm already ready to wash it, and this is why I just want to do it a little shorter so I can do better washing goes, and yeah, just have more definition. So you see, this is what we're working with here. Oh, I gotta lift the camera, hold on. Okay, now that the camera's higher, this is what we are working with. So really, this is all that needs cutting. but we're gonna do it a little lower. So, and actually this has inches on the comb, so this is, hold on. Yeah, at least that's what they claim. Maybe not this comb, but my comb from school had inches on it, so you could actually measure with your comb and then cut. For consistency, maybe I'll just do the second hole on my comb. So, no, I want to cut more than that, JK. So, we're gonna come down to like, I feel like here is good, so I can still have volume and a little length. So we're gonna go ahead. Oh wait, I don't even have my, y'all, I'm sorry, I don't have my shears ready. So I'm gonna use my handy dandy holographic shears, and something we learned in school, this is how you're supposed to hold them. So, and your thumb really shouldn't be all the way in it. It should be easy. And also, you know, you need to tighten them. Like it should come like that. So when you try to drop it, it shouldn't close all the way. It should stop. Well, that I had a lot of force on it, but for the most part it stops. So I don't need to tighten it. So we're gonna start off like this and then get into the cut. So here's my comb. And I'm gonna use the comb to just keep the tension the same. Or maybe not, I lied. I'm gonna use my fingers. Okay. Ooh. One piece left, huh? Okay, so this is what we're working with now. Haha. Oh, this is right. It's all right. That'll get cut. So now you're just gonna part your section back again and use it as your guide. All right, let's get into it. So you're gonna take straight line. You're gonna part straight line. I'm gonna put on my glasses so I can see. All right, let's get into it. What's this? So basically, pie-shaped sections. And really trust your guide, so don't be afraid to cut it. Now, because I want to keep length in the front, and this is so short, I'm so sad I missed my first cut, y'all. We're gonna do it again. All right, so make sure it's recording. We're gonna part another pie-shaped section. And when you part, you want to keep some of your first section in it as your guide. So you see, you can see where I cut it. And so I chose to redirect backward so that the front would be longer. So I'm gonna split it in half to make it easy. And then take that. Don't do it like me. And then we're gonna take this one and then pull it back. Yep. So you see? And that's how it works out. And then now they come to the same place. So I'm gonna just keep doing that throughout this whole section. Part of pie, take part of the old one. What is it? Take some, drop some, trim. Take some, drop some, trim. And that's the process. Okay, so this is what one cut section looks like. So you can kind of already see a shape happening here compared to this side, which I've been trying to maintain the shape the whole time. But yeah, so you can kind of see the difference. So time to cut this one. All right, so while y'all watch me cut my hair, I do want to note you're going to see me squint a lot because I am blind when I'm cutting with my glasses on. I actually have to look over my glasses, which is annoying. So yeah, but I'm trying to make sure I have an even shape on both sides. This is what creates that roundness. Short round layers are essentially all of your hair being the exact same length in inches, not in where it reaches. But I wanted the front part to be longer, so I'm basically just accounting for the fact that that front bang area is longer and the sides are a little shorter. And then I'm just going to carry that through the back of my hair. Your body, you got me hypnotized. I'm undone, I'm messed up when I look in your eyes. The back of your head can be one of the hardest things to do, so I highly recommend using 2 mirrors so that way you can really see what you're doing as you get further back. I went in like after this and was still cutting pieces that just felt too long in the back. This is what we're working with. Crazy. So you can tell I cut this side a little tight, but I'm not about to try and even it out. That's if one side is a little off, never try to even it out because then you're gonna end up bald. Just saying, just saying. All right, so this is what it looks like after being cut. Yeah, so a lot fuller all through, definitely shorter. This side might be a little shorter, just a smidgen, but don't ever try to even it out because that will mess you up. So yeah, but this is what we're working with. To see what it looks like curly, make sure you follow and then you'll see more of my product reviews. So thank you for watching this quick little cut update, and I'll be back with the final result in my next post.